We're the girls from Kukla's Cuisina. I'm Joanne.
I'm Jackie.
And I'm Kelly.
And today we're going to make for you a chickpea salad. So this is not a typical chickpea salad. We're going to add a whole bunch of beautiful ingredients to make it fresh and
Very Greek.
very Greek.
Yes, this is what we would do like in Galapagos.
Yes, and you know, when I was in Galapagos, we did do that a lot. We had a lot of these fresh ingredients. We used chickpeas and we used tomatoes and all kinds of wonderful things. So
whatever's seasonal, you know, like
Yeah.
you could substitute things out if you don't
yeah,
have
I mean,
them in
right now we're
season.
filming during the summer, but you know, in the wintertime, you might find other things that you want to add.
But what's
to it.
great about like tomatoes, these grape tomatoes always taste fresh.
And you could always find them in the
Yeah,
supermarket.
absolutely.
So I love that. So here we have a large can of chickpeas that we rinsed and we drained, and we're going to add that into our bowl. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to chop up some shallot. The reason we like shallots is because they're not as pungent as regular onions or even a red onion. A red onion might be a little bit hot, you know, and it's not always pleasing to the palate. Depends on what you're using it for. So for this particular salad, we like to use the shallots.
Plus the shallot has like a slight taste of garlic to it.
Right.
So it gives nice variety of flavor. Adds layers to your salad.
Yeah.
So here I'm just cutting up an English cucumber, and we're using this because it doesn't have a lot of seeds, and for our chickpea salad we don't want that. So we're gonna just cube them here, and these will go right in our salad.
You get a nice dice on that, so they're like bite size. Not too small, not too big.
Yep, we're just using a half an English cucumber and dicing them up.
And cutting these tomatoes in half before you add them to the salad, let some of the juices escape, and that way it blends in with the dressing. It makes it very flavorful.
Now you could use as little or as much of these ingredients as you want. You know, like we just happen to like, you know, quite a few shallots in ours. But if you don't like it that much, don't put it in. You know, just put in a little bit just for the flavor. Okay,
And the juices from this are so great that you want to have a nice warmed grilled pita bread by the side so you can dunk it and sap up all those wonderful juices.
and there we have our shallots. Or as Gordon Ramsay would say, shallots.
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 Yes, with shallots.
This is one Greek kitchen I think he would enjoy coming to.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, so I've got all my tomatoes chopped up. Are we ready to throw the tomatoes in there?
Yep.
Well, Jackie
Awesome,
pinches
right
those
in.
up.
Yep, I have all my cucumbers chopped up,
Beautiful.
So we got our tomatoes there.
and I'm gonna toss
Our cucumbers.
that right in there.
Now we're doing a dressing of olive oil, lemon juice,
So don't you put a few tosses. And as Kelly said before, sometimes we like to serve this with a nice warm pita. So we warmed up a pita, and we're just going to cut that into wedges.
season this guy.
Just a little olive oil,
A
lemon
little sea
juice,
salt.
and then a little brown pepper.
And you can season to taste. Anytime you make something like this, you'll want to add it to your salad, toss it together, and take a taste and see what it needs.
And you
Looks like
can
it's
see
ready.
that when you whisk, it gets this creamy texture
it's
almost.
beautiful.
Yeah, it does.
Get all of that. I think it could
I
take
think it'd
all
take
of
it
it.
all, yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
So this kind of a salad, you don't have to worry as much with over dressing as you do with a green salad, because in a green salad,
It gets soggy.
it gets too soggy
Yeah.
and you don't want to eat that. So with this, it's hearty and it can take it.
And you want those juices because, quite frankly, who doesn't want to enjoy a salad with some bread on the side?
Absolutely. Okay, you want to continue giving that a little bit more of a toss.
And you can see we've added some nice colors because chickpeas are just a nice brown tan color. So adding those tomatoes and those cucumbers makes it look really good.
When you're making something like a salad, always think color and where you could add to make it more vibrant.
I see.
As well as
And of course, we
flavorful.
do want to add a little bit of fresh parsley to this. Pizza,
Do you want to keep like a piece over there for garnish of the parsley?
I have some.
You have to.
I'm just finely chopping up some parsley.
Yeah. You want to finally, you don't want to get big leaves in there.
Parsley goes really well in a chickpea salad.
Okay.
So toss that all together.
You can
Oh.
smell the parsley.
That always goes.
Now it looks like it's supposed to. I'm going to scoop that into a serving dish. Let me hold that over for you to like, just toss it in there.
I lost
Hey,
one.
one is trying to get away.
Looks good.
I see one more trying to get away over here. Okay.
And
Mmm.
I'm going to put our pita wedges right in there.
Okay.
And we're going to have 3 for the girls of Coco's Cuisine. And there you have your chickpea salad. Galiorixi.